Hey guys, Jasmine Whitley here. Welcome back. Is my camera shaking? Hey guys, Jasmine Whitley here. Welcome back to Closet Raid, or welcome to Closet Raid if you're new. I post fashion content every single week, so if you're into that sort of thing, be sure to subscribe. And if you want to be notified, ring the bell. You'll know when I post it. I've been posting every week, but there's also been some bonus content like here and there, extra videos, so ring the bell if you want to get notified. I'm super excited to get right into this video. You guys sent me your prom dresses, and what I did is I was so excited to do this prom video because I didn't go to prom. FYI, I missed out on my prom, and I thought it would be so much fun to do a prom video. I've seen a lot of people doing like rating your prom looks or like reviewing your prom looks, but I wanted to just say that everyone who sent me pictures, all the subscribers, looked stunning, gorgeous, confident, beautiful, just like radiating, glowing, looking so good. So what I did was I compared them to a red carpet look that gave me the same kind of vibe, and like in my head I was like, okay, this was the inspo. I don't know. Let me know if you like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you want me to do more things like this, and let's get right into it. First look is from Sophia. Sophia is rocking this gorgeous emerald green gown with beading like embellishment throughout the entire gown. It's like sparkling, it's gorgeous. She's giving me these beautiful, strong Selma Hayek vibes. Selma's in this gorgeous green dress. It's the same energy, strong, beautiful, confident. This is like, in my head, the inspo for her look. I apologize if I'm getting anyone's name wrong or if I'm saying it wrong, because sometimes like your handle and your name is like different, I don't know. But this next look is from Mary Bella. Oh my gosh, it's this navy and gold dress. It has the most beautiful lace like embroidery detail on the top, and then it falls into this like gown. It's so stunning. There's this look worn by, I don't know if I'm pronouncing her name wrong, but it's Priya Kalidas wore the most gorgeous gold and navy gown. So beautiful, just giving me the same kind of vibe and the same kind of look and feel, and I just feel like this would be the inspo. It's so pretty, so stunning. You looked gorgeous. I love the navy gold combination. It was just so pretty. Here's your red carpet lookalike. This next look that JC sent me, oh my gosh, she wore the most gorgeous pantsuit, which I think is so cool. It's like very non-traditional, very like fun and different, and so it's this embellished top with, it just goes into the most beautiful, simple, sleek black pant. I love a jumpsuit. I love a jumpsuit. It instantly reminded me of this moment from Chanel Iman. So okay, Chanel's jumpsuit was completely like all white, but it has just like the same elegant, dressy, sophisticated feel, and it's just like all kinds of stunningness, and I'd like to think that that's the inspiration. Overall, gorgeous, amazing. I love it. Such a fun look, so different and unique. Next, okay, I took a screenshot, so I'm so sorry I don't have your name, but the screenshot like didn't have it at the top for some reason. This pantsuit is so beautiful. It's so stunning, so chic, and just very posh, which brings me to Posh Spice, Victoria Beckham, in the same kind of vibe, same kind of inspired look, which is just so elegant, so effortless, so chic. All white suit is like such a moment and very daring, so props to you. You looked drop dead gorgeous. Like, this is stunning, and this is like what I like to think your celebrity inspo was. Next up, Kelty sent me her prom look, which is this gorgeous pink moment. It's like a tulle, a beautiful, whimsical, romantic pink moment. I'm just in love with this. And here's your celebrity lookalike at the Golden Globes in this tulle pale pink like sheer kind of dress. So gorgeous, so beautiful, so something that I would gravitate towards. Like, I love this so much, and you looked beautiful. Next, Kaylee, you look so beautiful. This is such a unique dress. The red and black pattern on your dress is so beautiful. I love print. I love print, so I love that you went with a print. So this is giving me all this kind of red carpet inspo. Like, I'm so into this. I think it's so beautiful. I love that you played with print because I'm such a print person. I just think you looked absolutely gorgeous, super unique, so beautiful. Elizabeth sent me her look. It's this gorgeous black and white, super classic, very, very sleek, very simple, very minimalist. I love it. It gives me a little throwback moment to Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift at the ACM Awards, like with that like beautiful silhouette, the white top and the long black skirt. It's so stunning. So here's your prom lookalike to your red carpet moment. Gorgeous and classic and simple. Next up, Priscilla sent me her look. She is sparkling, glowing, stunning in a rose gold dress. It has like pinky tones. It has gold and like rose gold kind of in between. It's so pretty, so sparkly, so girly. I absolutely love it. And your red carpet moment is this Gwyneth Paltrow look. Oh my gosh. How like spot on is that? How spot on? That is like the inspo. I love it. I love it so much. You killed it. Okay, girl, you rocked your prom, I'm sure. Like everyone was probably shook, shaking, just you probably made an entrance in this gold and black number. It's long sleeve, huge slit, giving me royalty, giving me just serving all of the most regal vibes. I am in love with this. I love how unique it is. I love how beautiful it is. Honestly, there's nothing like it that I was looking at red carpet, like celebrity moments. The closest thing that gave me the feeling was just Beyonce. Beyonce likes the black and gold combination, the color combo. And these looks are just very similar in feeling, for me at least. Just like the vibe of it and the richness and the like luxuriousness. So this is the red carpet inspo. That was such a good look. Love it. So proud. My subscribers are freaking gorgeous. Mary sent me this beautiful dress. I love floral print. I love print, as I was saying. Print is so fun, and I think it's very daring. Not everyone wants to play with prints, but I love a floral print. And it just reminded me of this look that Amber Heard wore. And it's just giving me the same kind of feeling, like very sleek, and then just like falls into like the print, and it's just such a moment. So pretty, just perfect for spring summer. I love this. I love this look so much. You looked amazing. Next up, we have Daniela in this vibrant blue tulle gown with floral detail. This is something so unique. I was looking up celebrity inspo, couldn't really put my finger on, you know, who gave me the similar vibe, but I did find this dress that Christina Serrato's. Shoot, forgot her name. Who cares? It's all about the subscriber anyway. But this like beautiful romantic tulle is so romantic to me. When I think of tulle, it's just like delicate and dreamy and feminine and just beautiful. And I just feel like this just gave me the similar vibe, and I'm just very into tulle. I've always have been. I've always loved tulle since I was young. I think your look was so beautiful. Okay, now we have Jada. Oh my gosh. Like, this is something so I would gravitate towards. It's so classic, so sleek, traditional, old Hollywood glamour, like just so beautiful. So your black dress that's off the shoulder is just giving me, this is the red carpet inspo. It's giving me these Adrienne Bailon vibes because it's like so like snug, like tailored, like fit to the body, like looking very high fashion and beautiful. I'm in love with this. I love a minimalistic, chic, beautiful, classic, sleek look, and it's just like you nailed it. It's so stunning. This is the red carpet inspo. Ashley sent me this red dress, but it had a very like nude, neutral color on top with beading and detail and stuff, which was very unique, very beautiful, so stunning. And I found this picture of Sarah Hyland walking the red carpet, and this is the celebrity inspo. She's at the Emmys. She has this full long red skirt, but like on top kept it really sleek and simple, just like a lighter color palette. So pretty, so stunning, so gorgeous. That is the red carpet inspo. Okay, Anna, oh my goodness, this forest green color is so beautiful to me. Like, I love anything that's like a deep, rich gem tone like that. The celebrity inspo for it is Emma Stone. Oh my goodness. Need I say more? It's like so beautiful. So timeless. I think this is such a beautiful timeless look. When you show your kids this look, it's gonna still be relevant, still be beautiful. They're gonna be like, oh my gosh, beautiful. Natalia, you sent me the most sweet, whimsical off-white dress. It's like a very, like, I would call this a bone color. It's so stunning with like beautiful detail, like the whole thing. And it's just giving me these Kristen Dunst. This is the celebrity red carpet inspo. It's the Kristen Dunst look. I feel like Kristen Dunst is so pretty. Like, I'm obsessed with her, and I just feel like this is so spot on. Like, such a beautiful, beautiful, timeless moment. Becca, thank you so much for sending in your prom dress. It is this stunning two-tone moment, pink and black. The top is just like a simple black. It falls into a beautiful pink skirt, which I love, and it's just giving me this Taylor Swift kind of feeling. So this is your celebrity red carpet inspo right here. Another navy blue moment. Aisha, I hope I'm saying that right, sent me her prom dress look. It's this navy beaded gown. It's so beautiful. And I love that it has sleeves. I always went for like looks with sleeves. I just think it's so pretty. It's giving me this like vintage Amy Adams, like old Hollywood, very classic, very simple, very sleek. It's just like so pretty and beaded. Like the beading is so fun and festive and like so prom, like so cute, like shimmer, beading, sequence, embellishment. Like I love dresses that incorporated that. It's just like makes it more special and like fun. Haley sent me her look, and it's so sweet. It's this powder pink gown that has pleats, and it's just like very girly, very delicate, very beautiful. The red carpet inspo is this Bella Thorne moment. Such an inspired, beautiful look, and it's just so sweet, and I love it so much. So this is the red carpet inspo. Next up, this look that Lily sent me, her prom moment, was like an all black, very sleek beaded dress. Like the top had the embellishment, and the bottom just like was more simple and plain, and so pretty, so classic and timeless and beautiful. And the red carpet inspo is this Sofia Vergara look. It's just like channeling all the same vibes, and I'm living for it. It's just so timeless and classic and stunning and sleek and sharp, and just like such a cool prom look. I loved it. You looked incredible. Rachel, thank you for sending me your prom look. It's this beautiful silver sequin number. So fun, so festive. I love a sequin number. Your celebrity red carpet inspo is Sarah Hyland in this like gorgeous silver sequin gown. I love it. Like, I love how fun and sparkly and festive it is. It just screams like prom, and it's so fun, so timeless. You killed it. You look stunning. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe. Let me know whose prom dress you liked the most. Let me know if you like these kind of videos, because I can definitely do more. I had so much fun making it, and I will see you guys very, very soon.